Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Classroom. So let's begin. So the first thing you have to do is to make your own Gmail account. Then when you open Google, you'll find 9 dots right on the top. Just click on that and you'll get the option of Classroom. Just click on that. You can even download the Google Classroom application from Play Store. So I'm going to do that, and I have already downloaded, so I'm going to open it. I'm going to show you how to create class in Google Classroom. So now I'm going to open the application. I've already created one classroom, and right on top you will see there's a plus sign. Just go on that and click on create class. Read the notice carefully, tick on the box and click continue. Then fill all the information. So for the class name I'm writing nursery, section B. For room I'm leaving it empty. For subject I'm writing all subjects. Then right on top you will find the blue color box create. Just click on that. So now you will see three options: stream, classwork and people. So on the stream page it says share with your class, so you can click on that and write any notice or announcement you want to make to your children. So just for now I'm going to write, dear parents, kindly submit your child's assignment. That's a reminder. And then when you can see nursery B, I'm going to select both my nursery class and done. And you can attach any file that you want to, a link. So now I'm going to make new PDF. So you get various options here. I'm just trying that and showing you all. So now I'm going to write a text. So I'm going to write color the apple. Now adjust it at the center. Now I'm going to draw one apple. So you can choose the color too. So I've taken blue. I'm going to draw one apple and let the children color it. Now on the right side up, can you see the three dots? Just click on that and there will be an option save. And your new PDF will be attached. So now you can click on the arrow, that is the send option, and then you can see the same on your stream page. You can even edit it. If you feel that you have not attached something or something has to be added, you can even edit it and then save again. Now let us go to classwork. Click on the plus sign, an assignment. So I'm going to send a schedule for nursery. So first I'm going to write my title, schedule for Monday. In the description, I'm going to write a song name. Let's sing and dance with bingo. For the points, I'm going to keep it as ungraded because they are small to young. And due date, I'm going to give a 5th August. And for topic, I'm going to write a schedule for August. Then click on save. And then attachment. I'm going to attach the link, so you can copy the link and paste it here, then add, and then you can see the link is attached. Now I'm going to click on the arrow and done. You can see the same as topic is scheduled for August. You can rename it. You can even edit your schedule. So I'm just going to change the due date. and it's done. I'm going to go on question, so you can write the question. And the instruction, maybe you can give them option. Since I'm taking for nursery, I'm going to write as ungraded. And there are various options down due. You can give on any due date for them. You can write the topic. And then I want to post this in both my classes. So I've selected both my classes. And for now, I'm not going to save this. Next is material. So I'm going to do a dog craft with my children. So I'm going to write dog craft in the description. I'm going to write my instruction. Kindly use your favorite color, origami. That's it. And here also you get attachment option. I'm going to select both my classes, and you can attach maybe the picture of it and then save it again. And it's done. Your material is created. Then our topic, you can write the topic for the month and then click on add. And then you can see everything on your stream page. And then we'll go on setting. So you can do any changes that you want to. So in this you get class code. You can disable class code. You'll not be able to see the class code. And then when you click again on the three dots, you will be able to see the class code. Again click on that and reset your class code, and it's set. Then come to stream setting and you get three options, and I'm going to choose only teaching can post and comment because I don't want my children to post anything on the stream page. Now we'll go to classwork on a stream option. Click on that and you get three options: show attachment and details, show condense notification, and hide notification. So now I'm going to select show condense notification only, and then click on the save button, which is right on top, and it's done. Then there is a three dot right on top, and refresh your page, and it's done. Now I'm going to show you how to invite people. So in the teacher column, can you see a plus sign? Just click on that, write the mail ID of the teacher and click on invite. And the same is for the student. Just click on the plus sign, write the student's mail ID and invite. And that's all. And after they accept the invite, you will see their names. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel.